In this part of the experiment, I will be using a pH meter to identify the pH of the same solutions that we looked at in the previous part. I first calibrate the pH meter so that it is able to accurately read the values of various solutions. I do this by putting it in buffers of pH 4 and 10, which you will not see in the video. I then rinse the pH probe off and then can simply immerse the tip in any solution for which I would like to measure the pH. I have to rinse the probe off between each use with deionized water so as to get the most accurate values. So I'm going to start with a video, and that video will show you the pH probe. And then once you have seen the pH probe, you will see me testing two solutions that we've already tested with cabbage juice, the first two, and those are vinegar and ammonia, and those will be shown in a video format. And then rather than videoing each additional test, I'm simply going to show still pictures of the pH values for all the remaining solutions in the order that you saw them when we did the cabbage juice tests. You will simply complete the table on page 139 by filling in the pH values that you see, and then filling in the last column indicating whether the solution is acidic, basic, or neutral. And I'm going to recommend rounding each pH reading that you see to the tenths place. So for example, you might see a pH that says 5.48, and then it says 5.47, and then it says 5.48, and then it says 5.47. You get the idea. It can go back and forth. Simply round it to 5.5, and that will be totally fine for the purposes of this experiment. Here I'm going to show you the pH probe. It might be difficult to make out, but there is a little glass sphere at the very tip of the probe, which is the essential part that is used for measuring pH. I'm storing it in water in between uses. You can read the pH values on the meter on the right. I'm now going to test the pH of vinegar. And you can see the pH drop on the meter on the right. We would expect this of an acidic solution. Round the value that you see to the tenths place, so 2.5 would be an acceptable reading. Here I am testing ammonia. At 11.78 or 11.79, we should round the value to 11.8.